So hi everyone, welcome to Byju's Exam Prep Civil Mechanical and Exi YouTube channel. So one more notification is out through GATE 2023 and as you can see it is about IOCL. तो IOCL का जो notification है वो आ चुका है. Let's get into this. Let's get into the each and every detail which is needed to be known by you. So as soon as you will open the portal, you will get the career option or you can also see the announcement. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. As soon as you click the announcement, you will see the latest job openings. अब इस latest job openings में, as you can see just behind me, right behind me, you can see there is a few options like click here to apply, click here to read the detailed advertisement. So first, I'll quickly tell you about the advertisement, like what they are saying. We need to understand everything about it. So it is about IOCL recruitment of engineer slash officers and engagement as graduate apprentice engineer. माने वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि ऑफिसर्स के लिए ही भर्ती आया है इस बार. तो जो बच्चों को उन्होंने करना है मतलब एज अ रिक्रूट करना है एज अ इंजीनियर, उसके अलावा भी दे आर गोइंग टू टेक सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, सम ऑफ द एस्पिरेंट्स एज ग्रेजुएट अप्रेंटिस इंजीनियर्स. ठीक है. So which branches are eligible here? So if you have written the GATE through chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, instrumentation or mechanical, you are eligible. You have the seats here for you. Okay. Now let's understand few things which are super important for us. If you are applying for chemical engineering officer position, then you should have basically the chemical engineering वाला जो GATE score है that is required. Civil के लिए civil वाला, it's not that you have given environment and you have a good rank in environment so you are going to produce that. No way, it is not how it works. ठीक है. इसी तरह से कंप्यूटर साइंस EE और मैकेनिकल के लिए भी ये सेम चीज लागू होती है. रिमेंबर दिस, यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ गेट 2023 के स्कोर कार्ड को ही माना जाएगा. ओनली गेट 2023 स्कोर कार्ड इज रेलेवेंट एंड 22 और बिफोर एनीथिंग, 23 से बिफोर एनीथिंग इज नॉट एट ऑल एप्लीकेबल. अगर आपने दो ब्रांच से एग्जाम दिया है, फॉर एग्जांपल इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, तो आपका जो बीटेक है अगर वो इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में है तो आप इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन वाला ही अपना जो रिक्रूटमेंट है वो ले पाओगे और यू कैन प्रोड्यूस योर इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन स्कोर कार्ड ओनली इवन इफ यू हैव बेटर रैंक इन इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच स्कोर कार्ड. दिस वर फ्यू थिंग्स. एज लिमिट की बात की जाए, सो 26 इयर्स इज द अपर लिमिट फॉर जनरल एंड ईडब्ल्यूएस कैंडिडेट. Rest categories can see your born on and after dates. It is there on the screen. Acha sir, what about the GATE discipline? I have already talked about this. Chemical को chemical paper चाहिए, GATE scorecard. Civil के लिए will be requiring the civil one. Computer science, electrical like this. Okay. Now there is one thing. Suppose you are doing, if you are pursuing MTech, हम बात करते हैं civil के लिए. तो suppose you are having the MTech from hydraulic engineering. Right now you are pursuing hydraulic engineering from MTech. So that's cool. If your BTech is from civil engineering, you have written the GATE examination from civil engineering. It doesn't matter कि civil engineering के कौन से particular specialization से आप MTech कर रहे हो, वो matter नहीं करेगा. So this is one another thing which is going to be important for all those who are actually pursuing MTech right now. And if you have the doubt regarding this, minimum marks qualifying, as you can see, for general it is 65% and 55% for the category ones. Now another thing which is going to be important for you all is what are the application process, how it is going to work out. So I'll show you the application process also in this video, but before that I have to show you what is the selection process. In the selection process, firstly your marks of GATE are going to be considered, then the personal interview is going to be taken by the IOCL recruiters, and उसके बाद group discussion and group task is also going to be conducted. On the basis of all three, you are going to be shortlisted and then your documents needed to be proved. I mean, you have to produce your documents in front of them, and after the document verification, a merit list is going to be announced by them, and based on that, you are going to be placed either in the refinery division or in the marketing division or in the pipeline division or in the business development as well. तो ये वो सारे के सारे प्लेसमेंट या नेचर ऑफ जॉब है. दीज आर इंडिकेटिव, अगेन दे हैव सेड इट. About the salary guys, so this is the same salary. The basic pay is going to be 50,000. The scale ranges from 50,000 to 1,60,000, and there are some perks and allowances on which I'm going to take a video, a separate video, as I always do. So you are going to get the complete information from that particular video regarding the remuneration or you can say the salary और in hand कितना मिलेगा, वो सारी बातें आपको बताऊंगा. लास्ट डेट जो है एप्लीकेशन की वो 22 जून है. 22 जून इज द लास्ट डेट. सो यू नीड टू बी prepared. अभी से ही you can fill the form. I'll show you also, right? अच्छा, if suppose you are not getting selected for this officer rank, then obviously there is another chance for graduate apprentice engineer where you are going to get how much it is. You are going to get the 60,000 as a monthly stipend. 60,000 आपको मिलेगा whatever is the duration of apprenticeship you are having, right? So these are a few things. Now let's get into the recruitment कि ये process करना कैसे, register करना कैसे. So let's go here and click here to apply वाला जो बटन है इस पे क्लिक करेंगे. As soon as you click here, you can see clearly admission. ये आपका start हो चुका है. Application is started from 1st June. It will go till 22nd June. Now, obviously, you are new, so you are going to click on new registration. You have to put your gate registration, date of birth, discipline, and obviously the marks you have got out of 100. Email ID, mobile number, password. You have to make your own password and register. And after that, you are going to get a mail, and accordingly, you are going to be you're supposed to be applying by putting your documents as well. So this is all about IOCL recruitment from our channel. Quickly share this video with all those friends who actually need this video and who are looking forward to get a job in a PSU. So this was Joshit Singh from Byju's Exam Prep Civil Mechanical and XZ YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself, take care of your family, and have a nice day. Bye bye.